long day, heavy on my mind, carrying worries I can't leave behind. Then you open up the door, and I don't feel that way no more. Your touch slows my racing heart, pulls the chaos all apart. No questions, no alarms, I find my calm in your arms. When the world gets loud and cold, you're the place I go. There's peace in your arms, safe from the storms. No fear, no harm, just your love keeping me warm. When everything falls apart, you steady my heart. I don't need the world's applause, I've got peace in your arms. Night falls, but I'm not afraid. With you, all my doubts just fade. Every breath feels slow and deep, like a promise love will keep. No pressure to be strong, with you is where I belong. Every moment feels so true when I'm close to you. You don't have to say a word. Your love is what I've heard. There's peace in your arms, safe from the storms. No fear, no harm, just your love keeping me warm. When everything falls apart, you steady my heart. I don't need the world's applause, I've got peace in your arms. If the night gets dark again, I know how this story ends. Right here where I can breathe, right here where I'm free. Hold me close, don't let me go. You're the only home I know. There's peace in your arms, where my restless heart disarms. No pain, no scars, just love shining like stars. No matter how far I roam, you're where I belong. Forever my calm, there's peace in your arms. Quiet hearts, slow breath, home. Midnight air, your shadow near, softest voice I barely hear. Every word falls slow and true, like your heart is breaking through. No loud promises to keep, just the secrets that we speak. In the quiet, love unfolds. In the silence, I feel your soul. You don't have to say too much, I can feel it in your touch. These whispered emotions, slow like the ocean, every feeling showing without you knowing. No need for devotion, in words your heart is spoken. In every moment, these whisper emotions. Dim lights painting gentle lines, your eyes telling me you're mine. Every breath between the space feels like time has slowed its pace. No pressure, no disguise, truth is living in your eyes. Every silence feels so deep, like a promise we both keep. No noise, no need to pretend. This is where our hearts begin. These whispered emotions, slow like the ocean, every feeling showing without you knowing. No need for devotion, in words your heart has spoken. In every moment, these whispered emotions. If the world gets loud again, we'll fade into the calm. Let our hearts speak soft and low, right here inside these arms. No fear of letting go when love moves this slow. These whispered emotions, gentle and open, every heartbeat flowing softly unbroken. No sound, just devotion, true and unspoken. Forever we're holding these whispered emotions. Soft hearts, quiet love, unspoken. Oh, yeah. Clouds were heavy, skies were gray. Storms kept chasing me for days. I was lost inside the pain, and then you came like sunlight through the rain. Every drop fell away when you held me close that day. No more fear and no more pain. You washed it all away. You fresh air flowing through my soul. You made the broken parts feel whole. Every shadow disappeared when you whispered, "I'm right here." No more running from the past. With you I know this love will last. Every breath feels new since I found you. Like a rainbow in the sky, you brought color back to life. After the rain, you came and healed the pain. Now every tear is gone and I can finally move on. Through every storm I face, you brought me light and grace. Now love remains here with you. After the rain, if the clouds come back again, I won't be afraid of them. 'Cause I know you'll be right there. Your love is always near. Storms don't last forever, but this love will stay together. Find you after the rain. Only sunshine remains. No darkness, no fear. With your love right here. Every storm that came led me to your name. Now life has changed since I found you. After the rain. Clear skies, new light. After the rain. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Quiet night, windows open wide, soft wind moving like the tide. Then you walked into my life, and everything just felt right. No pressure, no control. You touched the deepest part of my soul, like a feeling I can't explain. You washed away my pain. You don't have to say a word. Your love is all I've heard. You're a breeze through my soul, gentle, soft. You make me whole. Every touch, every glow feels like peace I've never known. You don't rush, you just flow like the wind. You let love grow. Wherever you are, I go. You're a breeze through my soul. Oh. Morning light across your face. Time slows down in your embrace. Every heartbeat feels so true. I found my calm in you. No storms when you're around. You lift me up, you hold me down. Every breath feels brand new. Since the day I found you, in your arms I feel at home. With you I'm never alone. You're a breeze through my soul, gentle, soft, you make me whole. Every touch, every glow feels like peace I've never known. You don't rush, you just flow. Like the wind, you let love grow. Wherever you are, I go. You're a breeze through my soul. If the world gets heavy on me, you're the air I need to breathe. No fear, no letting go. You're the calm I'll always know. Stay with me, don't fade away. Be my peace every day. You're a breeze through my soul. More than love, you're my home. Every night, every dawn. With you I'm never alone. Soft and slow, let it flow. This feeling we both know. Forever I'll hold this breeze through my soul. Oh, your love flowing through me. Lights down low, the night feels right. Your shadow moving in the light. Every step pulls me in, like a song under my skin. No words, just the way you sway, taking all my doubts away. Heartbeat matching every move, I'm falling deeper in your groove. Time fades when you're close to me. Nothing else I need to see. I'm lost in your rhythm, slow motion, no system. Every touch, every sound, got my world spinning around. No space, no distance, just love. In this instance, I don't wanna be free. I'm lost in your rhythm with me. Moonlight resting on your face, we're moving at our own pace. Every breath feels so right, like we're dancing through the night. No past, no future to chase, only you in this space. Every second pulls me in, let the feeling just begin. No rush, let the moment stay. I don't ever want this to fade. I'm lost in your rhythm, slow motion, no system. let go. Let this feeling flow. I'm lost in your rhythm, no ending, no limit. Every move, every breath feels like life at its best. No fear, no resistance, just love in existence. Forever I'll be lost in your rhythm. Slow, steady. Sun melting low across the sky, amber light in your eyes, shadows dancing on your skin. That's the moment I fall again. Slow wind moving through your hair. Time feels lighter when you're there. No tomorrow, no goodbye, just this glow, you and I. Everything feels right, wrapped in this soft light. These golden hour feelings, hearts wide open, no ceiling. Every touch so healing, love so warm, so real. And no rush, no leaving, just us barely breathing. I could stay forever in these golden hour feelings. City noise fading away while the sky turns shades of gray. Your hand resting into mine, like the world paused for our time. Every second feels like gold, every look a story told. No words needed to explain. You're my calm, my quiet place. In your arms I find peace I've never known before. These golden hour feelings, hearts wide open, no ceiling. Every touch so healing, love so warm, so real. And no rush, no Sunlight slipping through the blinds, golden shadows, you and I. Kettle singing soft and low, slow beginnings, nowhere to go. Your hair falling, eyes still closed, wrapped in dreams I almost know. Quiet smiles, no words to say. Love feels easy in this space. No rush, no world outside, just this moment, you and I. Coffee and calm mornings, your love slowly pouring. Every breath feels warm and new. All I need is you. No noise, no warning, just peace in the forming. I could live my whole life through with coffee and calm mornings with you. Steam rising from your cup, you look at me, my heart wakes up. Simple things, the way you smile, makes forever feel worthwhile. City waking far away, but we're lost in our own day. Every second soft and slow, this is all I need to know. Time moves gently when you're near. Nothing else matters here. Coffee and calm mornings, your love slowly pouring. Every breath feels warm and new. All I need is you. No noise, no warning, just peace in the forming. I could live my whole life through with coffee and calm mornings with you. If the nights ever get too long, morning brings us back where we belong. No storms when I wake to your face. You're my quiet, my safe place. Stay with me as the daylight grows. In this love that moves so slow, coffee and calm mornings, every day feels like a blessing. Hearts awake, no stressing, just love gently resting. No fear, no mourning, only hope each morning. Forever feels so true with coffee and calm mornings with you. Soft light, warm cups, just us. Lights down low, the night feels right. Your shadow moving in the light. Every step pulls me in, like a song under my skin. No words, just the way you sway, taking all my doubts away. Heartbeat matching every move, I'm falling deeper in your groove. Time fades when you're close to me, nothing else I need to see. I'm lost in your rhythm, slow motion, no system. Every touch, every sound, got my world spinning around. No space, no distance, just love in this instant. I don't wanna be free, I'm lost in your rhythm with me. Moonlight resting on your face, we're moving at our own pace. Every breath feels so right, like we're dancing through the night. No past, no future to chase, only you in this space. Every second pulls me in, let the feeling just begin. No rush, let the moment stay. I don't ever want this to fade. I'm lost in your rhythm, slow motion, no system. Every touch, every sound, got my world spinning around. No space, no distance, just love in this instant. I don't wanna be free, I'm lost in your rhythm with me. If the music fades away, we'll still move the same way. Your heart keeps the beat that my soul wants to keep. Hold me closer, don't let go. Let this feeling flow. I'm lost in your rhythm, no ending, no rhythm. Every move, every breath feels like life at its best. No fear, no resistance, just love in existence. Forever I'll be lost in your rhythm with me. Slow, steady, just you and me. Clouds were heavy, skies were gray, storms kept chasing me for days. I was lost inside the pain, then you came like sunlight through the rain. Every drop fell away when you held me close that day. No more fear, no more pain, you washed it all away. You brought the calm I couldn't find, peace for my heart and mind. After the rain, you came and healed the pain. Now every tear is gone, and I can finally move on. Through every storm I face, you brought me light and grace. Now love fresh air flowing through my soul. You made the broken parts feel whole. Every shadow disappeared when you whispered, I'm right here. No more running from the past. With you I know this love will last. Every breath feels new since I found you. Like a rainbow in the sky, you brought color back to life. After the rain, you came and healed the pain. Now every tear is gone, and I can finally move on. Through every storm I faced, you brought me light and grace. Now love remains here with you. After the rain, if the clouds come back again, I won't be afraid of them, 'cause I know you'll be right there. Your love is always near. Storms don't last forever, but this love will stay together. After the rain, only sunshine remains. No darkness, no fear, with your love right here. Every storm that came led me to your name. Now life has changed since I found you. After the rain, clear skies, new light. After the rain. Quiet night, windows open wide. Soft wind moving like the tide. Then you walked into my life, and everything just felt right. No pressure, no control. You touched the deepest part of my soul, like a feeling I can't explain. You washed away my pain. You don't have to say a word. Your love is all I've heard. You're a breeze through my soul. Gentle, soft, you make me whole. Every touch, every glow feels like peace I've never known. You don't rush, you just flow like the wind. You let love grow wherever you are. I go, you're a breeze through my soul. Morning light across your face. Time slows down in your embrace. Every heartbeat feels so true. I found my come in you. No storms when you're around. You lift me up, you hold me down. Ooh. Every breath feels brand new since the day I found you. In your arms I feel at home. With you I'm never alone. You're a breeze through my soul. Gentle, soft, you make me whole. Every touch, every glow feels like peace I've never known. You don't rush, you just flow like the wind. You let love grow wherever you are. I go. You're a breeze through my soul. If the world gets heavy on me, you're the air I need to breathe. No fear, no letting go. You're the calm I'll always know. Stay with me, don't fade away. Be my peace every day. You're a breeze through my soul. More than love, you're my home. Every night, every dawn. With you I'm never alone. Soft and slow, let it flow. This feeling we both know. Forever I'll hold. This breeze through my soul. Soft wind, your love flowing through me. City lights fading through the blinds. Shadows dancing, you're on my mind. Clock is ticking but time feels slow. In this quiet your love still glows. Soft wind whispers your name tonight. Every memory feels so right. No noise, no world, just me and you. In the dark where our hearts speak truth. No words needed, I feel you close. Even when nobody knows. In the midnight silence, I hear your heartbeat calling. Through the quiet moments, I feel your love surrounding. No sound, no distance, just us in perfect stillness. I'm yours. In the midnight silence, moonlight resting on empty space, but I still see your gentle face. Every breath carries your touch. Even when I miss you so much. Lonely streets but my heart's at ease. Your love moves like a midnight breeze. No fear, no doubt, just calm inside. You're the peace I could never hide. Even when you're far away, you're the calm that makes me stay. In the midnight silence, I hear your heartbeat calling. Through the quiet moments, I feel your love surrounding. No sound, no distance, just us in perfect stillness. I'm yours in the midnight silence. If the world falls asleep tonight, I'll be dreaming in your light. No chaos, no noise, no pain, just your love running through my veins. Hold me close without a sound, that's where forever's found. In the midnight silence, your love keeps me breathing. In the quiet darkness, your warmth is all I'm needing. Ain't no sound, just presence, our hearts in gentle rhythm forever. In the midnight silence, midnight, just you and me in the silence. Midnight air, your shadow near, softest voice I barely hear. Every word falls slow and true, like your heart is breaking through. No loud promises to keep, just the secrets that we speak. In the quiet, love unfolds. In the silence, I feel your soul. You don't have to say too much, I can feel it in your touch. These whisper emotions, slow like the ocean, every feeling showing without you knowing. No need for devotion in words your heart has spoken. In every moment, these whisper emotions. Dim lights painting gentle lines, your eyes telling me you're mine. Every breath between the space feels like time has slowed its pace. No pressure, no disguise, truth is a living in your eyes. Every silence feels so deep, like a promise we both keep. No noise, no need to pretend. This is where our hearts began. These whispered emotions, slow like the ocean, every feeling showing without you knowing. No need sound, just devotion, true and unspoken. Forever we're holding these whisper emotions. Soft hearts, quiet love, unspoken. Sun melting low across the sky, amber light in your eyes, shadows dancing on your skin. That's the moment I fall again, slow and moving through your hair. Time feels lighter when you're there. No tomorrow, no goodbye, just this glow, you and I. Everything feels right, wrapped in this soft light. These golden hour feelings, hearts wide open, no ceiling. Every touch so healing, love so warm, so real, and no rush, no leaving, just us barely breathing. I could stay forever in these golden hour feelings. City noise fading away, while the sky turns shades of gray. Your hand resting into mine, like the world paused for our time. Every second feels like gold, every look a story told. No words needed to explain. You're my calm, my quiet place. In your arms I find peace I've never known before. These golden hour feelings, hearts wide open, no ceiling. Every touch so healing, love so warm, so real, and no rush, no leaving, just us barely breathing. I could stay forever in these golden hour feelings. When the daylight fades away, promise me you'll stay. Even when the night appears, I'll still feel you near. 'Cause this love we found shines without a sound. These golden hour feelings, slow time, hearts revealing. No fear, just believing in every moment we're living. No end, no ceiling, just love gently building. Forever and always in these golden hours feelings. Soft light, warm skies, colors fade, purple shadows that the sunset made. Your hand resting close to mine, like the stars are falling into time. Soft wind moving through your hair, there's a quiet magic in the air. No rush, nowhere to be, just the sky, you and me. The world slows down when you're near. Everything feels clear under satin skies. I see love in your eyes, every breath, every sigh. Feels like we can fly. No fears, no goodbyes, just truth, no disguise. I could stay all my life here with you under satin skies. Ooh. Hey. City lights begin to glow, but our world is moving slow. Your heart beating next to mine, like a soft and steady rhyme. Every moment feels so deep, like a promise we both keep. No past, no need to explain, only love in this frame. In your arms I found my peace. Every doubt release under satin skies. I see love in your eyes, every breath, every sigh. Feels like we can fly. No fears, no goodbyes, just truth, no disguise. I could stay all my life here with you under satin sky. If the night never ends, I wouldn't ask for more. With your heart next to mine, I found what I was searching for. Let the stars take their time, we're already shining under satin skies, where forever feels alive. Every touch, every light keeps this feeling inside. No wind, no disguise, just love multiplied. I'll stay by your side forever under satin skies. Soft night, slow time, you and I. Sunlight slipping through the blinds, golden shadows, you and I. Kettle singing soft and low, slow beginnings, nowhere to go. Your hair falling, eyes still closed, wrapped in dreams I almost know. Quiet smiles, no words to say. Love feels easy in this space. No rush, no world outside, just this moment and you and I. Coffee and calm mornings, your love slowly pouring. Every breath feels warm and new. All I from your cup. You look at me, my heart wakes up. Simple things, the way you smile makes forever feel worthwhile. City waking far away, but we're lost in our own day. Every second soft and slow. This is all I need to know. Time moves gently when you're near. Nothing else matters here. Coffee and calm mornings, your love slowly pouring. Every breath feels warm and new. All I need is you. No noise, no warning, just peace in the forming. I could live my whole life through with coffee and calm mornings with you. If the nights ever get too long, morning brings us back where we belong. No storms when I wake to your face. You're my quiet, my safe place. Stay with me as the daylight grows in this love that moves so slow. Coffee and calm mornings. Every day feels like a blessing. Hearts awake, no stressing. Just love gently resting. No fear, no mourning. Only hope each morning. Forever feels so true with coffee and calm mornings with you. Soft light, warm cups, just us. Lights down low, the world outside is gone. Just your shadow leaning on mine. No loud words, no need to explain. Your heartbeat keeping time. Windows open, night breeze slow. Your fingers tracing my soul. Every silence says so much. In the calm I feel your touch. We don't need the noise. Love speaks in a softer voice. These quiet love songs playing where we belong. No crowd, no spotlight, just us in the night. Every breath, every tone says I'm not alone. We're writing our own in these quiet love songs. on your face. Time moves at a gentle pace. Every moment feels so true when I'm this close to you. No rush, no running away. I could stay like this all day. Every whisper, every sigh feels like music inside. No rhythm but our hearts. That's where the melody starts. These quiet love songs playing where we belong. No crowd, no spotlight, just us in the night. Every breath, every tone says I'm not alone. We're writing our own in these quiet love songs. If the world gets loud again, we'll just fade into the calm. Let the silence be our sound. Heaven's where your arms are found. No stage, no audience, just love and its presence. These quiet love songs, dances all night long. No fear, no goodbyes, just truth in your eyes. Every moment we hold feels warmer than gold. Forever unfolds in these quiet love songs. No words, just love playing softly. Long day, heavy on my mind, carrying worries I can't leave behind. Then you open up the door, and I don't feel that weight no more. Your touch slows my racing heart, pulls the chaos all apart. No questions, no alarms. I find my calm in your arms. When the world gets loud and cold, you're the place I go. There's peace in your arms, safe from the storms. No fear, no harm, just your love keeping me warm. When everything falls apart, you steady my heart. I don't need the world's applause. I've got peace in your arms. Night falls, but I'm not afraid. With you, all my doubts just fade. Every breath feels slow and deep, like a promise love will keep. No pressure to be strong. With you is where I belong. Every moment feels so true when I'm close to you. You don't have to say a word. Your love is what I've heard. There's peace in your arms, safe from the storms. No fear, no harm, just your lights fading through the blinds, shadows dancing, you're on my mind. Clock is ticking but time feels slow. In this quiet your love still glows. Soft wind whispers your name tonight. Every memory feels so right. No noise, no world, just me and you. In the dark where our hearts speak true. No words needed, I feel you close, even when nobody knows. In the midnight silence, I hear your heartbeat calling. Through the quiet moments, I feel your love surrounding. No sound, no distance, just us in perfect stillness. I'm yours in the midnight silence. Ooh. Moonlight resting on empty space, but I still see your gentle face. Every breath carries your touch. Even when I miss you so much. Lonely streets, but my heart's at ease. Your love moves like a midnight breeze. No fear, no doubt, just calm inside. You're the peace I could never hide. Even when you're far away, you're the calm that makes me stay. In the midnight silence, I hear your heartbeat calling. Through the quiet moments, I feel your love surrounding. No sound, no distance, just us in perfect stillness. I'm yours in the midnight silence. If the world falls asleep tonight, I'll be dreaming in your light. No chaos, no noise, no pain, just your love running through my veins. Hold me close without a sound. That's where forever's found. In the midnight silence, your love keeps me breathing. laying low in the midnight sky, silver glow in your eyes tonight. Music playing soft and slow, every move got me losing control. Your shadow dancing close to mine, body moving right on time. No rush, let the moment breathe. Just your rhythm all over me. No words, just the way you move. I'm caught in your groove. Slow wine in the moonlight, hold me till the sunrise. Hearts moving so right, lost in your rhythm tonight. No space, no daylight, just you in my arms tight. We don't need a timeline, just slow wine and cool night air, but your touch is warm. Every sway feels like a storm. City noise fading away. We're in our own world when you sway. Your heartbeat next to mine, every motion feels divine. Round and round we go, let the whole world move slow. Feel the night, feel the sound, love spinning us around. Slow wine in the moonlight, hold me till the sunrise. Hearts moving so right, lost in your rhythm tonight. No space, no daylight, just you in my arms tight. We don't need a timeline, just slow wine and moonlight. If time stops, let it stay right here in this space. Every breath, every move got me falling into you. Don't stop, don't rush, stay close, stay touch. Slow wine in the moonlight, everything feels so right. No past, no next time, only this moment tonight. Hold on, don't unwind, leave all the world behind. Forever feels so right in slow wine and moonlight, slow motion, just you and me. Evening falling, colors fade, purple shadows that the sunset made. Your hand resting close to mine, like the stars are falling in a tide. Soft wind moving through your hair, there's a quiet magic in the air. No rush, nowhere to be, just the sky, you and me. World slows down when you're near, everything feels clear. Under satin skies, I see love in your eyes. Every breath, every sigh feels like we can fly. No fears, no goodbyes, just truth, no disguise. I could stay all my life satin skies. City lights begin to glow, but our world is moving slow. Your heartbeat next to mine, like a soft and steady rhyme. Every moment feels so deep, like a promise we both keep. No past, no need to explain, only love in this frame. In your arms I found my peace, every doubt released. Under satin skies, I see love in your eyes. Every breath, every sigh feels like we can fly. No fears, no goodbyes, just truth, no disguise. I could stay all my life here with you, under satin skies. If the night never ends, I wouldn't ask for more. With your heart next to mine, I found what I was searching for. Let the stars take their time, we're already shining under satin skies, where forever feels alive. Every touch, every light keeps this feeling inside. No wind, no disguise, just love multiplied. I'll stay by your side forever, under satin skies. Soft night, slow time, you and I. Curtains drawn, the world fades out. Golden glow all around. Your silhouette in the quiet room feels like peace I finally found. Slow steps across the floor, every moment makes me want you more. No noise, no rushing through, just this soft light and you. Nothing else comes close when you're right here, holding me slow in the soft light and you. Everything feels true, every touch, every move feels like something new. No past, no rush, no view, just love coming through. I could stay right here in the soft light and you. City sounds are far away, we're in our own quiet space. Your heartbeat next to mine, moving in perfect time. Every breath feels warm, safe inside your calm. No words we need to prove, love is speaking through. In your arms I know I found my place to go. In the soft light and you, everything feels true. Every touch, every move feels like something new. No past, no rush, no view, in the soft light and you, hearts open, see through. Every moment we choose feels deeper, more true. No fear, no distance to move, nothing left to prove. Forever feels near in the soft light. Just one, just you. Golden sunset melting in the blue, soft light falling all over you. Windows open, curtains sway, feels like time just slipped away. Your hand resting close to mine, hearts moving in perfect time. No rush, no place to be, just this moment, you and me. The world fades when you're near, everything feels so clear. These velvet evenings, wrapped in your arms, I'm dreaming. Slow breathing, hearts beating, love so soft, so easy. No noise, no leaving, just us in this sweet feeling. I could stay forever in your velvet evenings. Street lights glowing down below, city moving but we move slow. Your voice like a quiet song, right here is where I belong. Every touch, every sigh feels like stars in the sky. Nothing else matters now, only us, only how. You're the calm I never knew, every night feels new with you. These velvet evenings, wrapped in your arms, I'm dreaming. Slow breathing, hearts beating, love so soft, so easy. No noise, no leaving, just us and this sweet feeling. I could stay forever in your velvet evenings. If tomorrow never came, I'd still whisper your name. In this light, in this glow, this is all I need to know. Hold me close, don't let go. Let this quiet love just flow. These velvet evenings, where every touch has meaning. No words, just feeling. Our hearts gently speaking. No doubts, believing in every moment we're living. I'll stay forever in our velvet evenings. Soft lights, slow time, just you and me. golden sunset melting into blue, soft light falling all over you. Windows open, curtains sway, feels like time just slipped away. Your hand resting close to mine, hearts moving in perfect time. No rush, no place to be, just this moment, you and me. The world fades when you're near, everything feels so clear. These velvet evenings, wrapped in your arms, I'm dreaming. Slow breathing, hearts beating, love so soft, so easy. No noise, no leaving, just us and this sweet feeling. I could stay forever in your velvet evening. Street lights glowing down below, city moving but we move slow. Your voice like a quiet song, right here is where I belong. Every touch, every sigh, feels like stars in the sky. Nothing else matters now, only us, only how. You're the calm I never knew, every night feels new with you. These velvet evenings, wrapped in your arms, I'm dreaming. Slow breathing, hearts beating, love so soft, so easy. No noise, no leaving, just us and this sweet feeling. I could stay forever in your velvet evenings. If tomorrow never came, I'd still whisper your name in this light, in this glow. This is all I need to know. Hold me close, don't let go. Let this quiet love just flow. These velvet evenings, where every touch has meaning. No words, just feeling our hearts gently speaking. No doubts, believing in every moment we're living. I'll stay forever in our velvet evenings. Soft lights, slow time, just you and me. Lights down low, the world outside is gone. Just your shadow leaning on mine. No loud words, no need to explain. Your heartbeat keeping time. Windows open, night breeze slow, your fingers tracing my soul. Every silence says so much. In the calm I feel your touch. We don't need the noise. Love speaks in a softer voice. These quiet love songs play where we belong. No crowd, no spotlight, just us in the night. Every breath, every tone says I'm not alone. We're writing our own in these quiet love songs. Moonlight resting on your face. Time moves at a gentle pace. Every moment feels so true when I'm this close to you. Oh, no rush, no running away. I could stay like this all day. Every whisper, every sigh feels like music inside. No rhythm but our hearts. That's where the melody starts. These quiet love songs play where we belong. No crowd, no spotlight, just us in the night. Every breath, every tone says I'm not alone. We're writing our own in these quiet love songs. If the world gets loud again, we'll just fade into the calm. Let the silence be our sound. Heaven's where your arms are found. No stage, no audience, just love in its presence. Final years, quiet love songs, slow dancing all night long. No fear, no goodbyes, just truth in your eyes. Every moment we hold feels warmer than gold. Forever unfolds in these quiet love songs. No words, just love playing softly. Moon hanging low in the midnight sky, silver glow in your eyes tonight. Music playing soft and slow. Every move got me losing control. Your shadow dancing close to mine, body moving right on time. No rush, let the moment breathe. Just your rhythm all over me. No words, just the way you move. I'm caught sunrise. Hearts moving so right, lost in your rhythm tonight. No space, no daylight, just you in my arms tight. We don't need a timeline, just slow wine and moonlight. Cool night air, but your touch is warm. Every sway feels like a storm. City noise fading away. We're in our own world when you sway. Your heart beating next to mine. Every motion feels divine. Round and round we go. Let the whole world move slow. Feel the night, feel the sound. Love spinning us around. Slow wine in the moonlight. Hold me till the sunrise. Hearts moving so right, lost in your rhythm tonight. No space, no daylight, just you in my arms tight. We don't need a timeline, just slow wine and moonlight. If time stops, let it stay right here in this space. Every breath, every move got me falling into you. Don't stop, don't rush, stay close, stay touched. Slow wine in the moonlight. Everything feels so right. No past, no next time. Only this moment tonight. Hold on, don't unwind. Leave all the world behind. Forever feels so right. And slow wine and moonlight. Moonlight, slow motion, just you and me. Curtains drawn, the world fades out. Golden glow all around. Your silhouette in the quiet room feels like peace I finally found. Slow steps across the floor. Every moment makes me want you more. No noise, no rushing through, just this soft light and you. Nothing else comes close when you're right here, holding me slow in the soft light and you. Everything feels true, every touch, every move feels like something new. No past, no rush, no view, just love coming through. I could stay right here in the soft light and you. Oh, oh, oh. City sounds are far away. We're in our own quiet space. Your heart denies to prove. Love is speaking through. In your arms I know I found my place to go, in the soft light in you. Everything feels true, every touch, every move feels like something new. No past, no rush, no view, just love coming through. I could stay right here in the soft light in you. If the night never ends, I wouldn't mind at all. With your hands in mine, I've already found it all. Let the world fade out of you. All I need is you. In the soft light and you, hearts open, see through. Every moment we choose feels deeper, more true. No fear, no distance to move, nothing left